Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, here's a fun maths game called Dominoes 5. It will help you find number combinations to 5. You can play in a small group. Each group needs a set of dominoes. Here's how we play Dominoes 5. All players start with 5 dominoes each, all facing down so you can't see the dots. Place one domino in the center to begin the game. Players take turns selecting a domino from their set and try to make a combination that totals 5 at either end of the domino chain. If a player cannot make 5, then they turn the domino back over and miss a turn. It's Froggy's turn. Can you see 2 numbers that equal 5? 3 and 2 make 5. Doggy's made 5 with a 0 and a 5. How has Teddy made 5? Can Froggy make 5? Yes, and on either end too. Five and 0 make 5. Well done. Can Teddy make 5 this time? No, so Teddy misses a turn. Froggy's in luck. Look at the 2 numbers that make 5. 4 and 1. No luck for Doggy. Any combinations to 5 here? How about for Froggy? Do 5 and 1 make 5? What about 3 and 1? Can you see a combination to 5? There it is, 5 and 0. Okay, this is Froggy's final domino. Will he have the winning numbers? Well done, Froggy! You're the winner. You were the first to use all the dominoes to make combinations to 5. Enjoy playing Dominoes 5 and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.